welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. So today we're going to be doing something that's kind of more down my street. So obviously I'll be the leader and my mum will be following my lead. So as you can see by the contents of what's on the table, we're going to be making slime. So we're going to be making fluffy slime and clear slime. So let me go through the ingredients and we can finally get started on making our slimes. So the things you'll be needing is obviously a mixing bowl and a mixing tool, some PVA glue, baby lotion, baby oil and baby powder.
There's a lot of baby going on.
Your activator. I'm using contact lens solution and it's Obtrex, and my mum's going to be using laundry starch. I am using the Nivea Men Shaving Foam. My mum's going to be using the Gillette. And the colours to make it look beautiful and pretty and all that stuff. Well, I'm going to be using neon pink paint and my mum's going to be using neon green paint. So, oh, and I forgot the glitter.
The baby.
My baby. My precious stuff. If you touch her, you're dead. Don't touch
I paid for it.
So now I guess we can finally get started on making our slimes.
Right, so here we go. It's time to bring it. You all know how much money I spent on trying to get this thing right. Yes, it's a whole lot.
How much?
It's not even worth mentioning. Probably gonna have to sell you to get back my money.
I'm expensive there. It wasn't that expensive.
You're priceless. Okay, so I think I have mastered.
No.
Is she leading?
Yes.
Okay, well.
So basically, the first thing you'll obviously need to do is pour your PVA glue into your container, your bowl.
Like so.
Oh gosh. You know you can literally take that off, this bit off the red nib. Okay. She's gonna long things out.
I'm the master of slime.
You're really not.
I'm the
Press
mistress,
it then.
I'm the mistress of slime.
You're really not.
Right, so there you go. Thank you.
Shaving foam. Shake it nice and well.
Put the muscle into it.
Not too much, but enough. Are you okay?
Yeah. And then you know you can take the tip off. And then
oh wait. No, what are you doing? See, I told you.
I'm the master.
No. What are you doing? That's the activator.
So okay. So
Mix it.
I'll mix and I'll stir and I'll mix.
You want to make sure that it's perfect.
And I'll mix.
Like absolutely perfect.
And mix.
Are you okay? No, like seriously, are you okay? I'm asking you like a genuine question.
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay.
This is how you do it.
No, because you're about to add in the activator when you haven't even mixed everything in.
Does it matter?
It really does.
Right, so
No! What?
What?
Colour!
Is it?
And then these three!
I don't have to add those in there.
So you don't want yours to be stretchy and everything?
It can be stretchy without having to put in.
Yeah, but... Okay, go on then.
So, I'm using my favorite color and I'm adding my favorite.
Oh, go away. So I'm adding in my baby powder. So you want to follow me, not her, because she... So I'm adding in the baby powder. This is how you do it.
That's too lime green.
That's not how you do it.
This is how Patrice does it.
You're welcome.
Now, I am going to activate my activator. You know you love me. You know you love me.
Okay, that's mixed in. I'm going to shake it up. And then I'm going to add in my baby oil and lotion. Shut up. Everything nice and Why did you add in so much?
Look. It's all happening. That's just long.
And that kind of gonna be better than yours.
Look at
Wait, so you don't want glitter?
Look at that.
Do you want glitter?
Eh?
You don't want any glitter? Or are you just gonna add it in after? Alright, then you're gonna add your paint in it.
So where's the purple? My favorite color. Oops.
Well done.
That's not me. I gotta get my other pair of eyes to work out which is, if this is black or purple.
That's black.
I knew that.
Put it back in. Leave my babies.
Ah. Okay. Listen, my fingers are too big for this thing. So a little bit of razzmatazz.
I
Right.
told you.
So this is how we do it.
Oh wow.
We flip it out on
That's
the
gonna
table.
be so sticky. I'm just telling you now. That's gonna be so sticky.
Listen, I'm the master at this. I'll fix this. I will. What did I say?
Gosh, I'm not even gonna repeat.
I will fix this.
All right. So this is my pink, my slime in this. Perfect. Exactly. Why are you getting jealous for? Don't get jealous. So this is my pink.
Here, listen to this.
Okay, so I'm going to add in pink and
Okay.
white. Like I said, don't follow her. So I'm going to be adding in these two colours and they should make a really nice colour. So add in the white. Exactly, why are you getting jealous for? Oh man. That's pretty. Very, very pretty.
This is nice. This is nice.
Nasty.
Let me shake this. Shake this up because it settles. So you have to. This is like, actually, this is like on a building site, you're mixing cement. This is how you have to do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm going to add in my contact
You
lens.
all think mummies don't know how to make slime. Well, I know how to make slime, baby.
So basically, you're going to add in your activator gradually, so don't mix in from the side. It's better.
Hi.
So mix in from the sides as well.
See?
So it comes away from the sides. Actually.
That's it. That a girl? Ooh. You want to try, Karin? Want to try my slime?
Nobody wants to try your slime.
My slime is pink.
It's really not.
That's a waste of products. There you go.
Ugh!
Anything else to add?
I don't know.
Some of that? That's it. What kind of slime is this? Stretchy slime? Satisfying.
That's not satisfying one bit.
Okay. This is taking a lot of correction. So let's go back again. Let's go back to the drawing board, guys. So who's going to be cleaning this table after?
You. Look at me. There's no
Right. There we go. That's bouncy. Ooh.
Okay.
Ah.
So then, just gonna clear this.
Actually,
So I have space to take. No.
you're in my face.
Yeah, but they can't see my beautiful slime.
Actually, I'll make it a little bit more. Actually,
No, that's my activator.
it is changing it. softer. Hold on.
And that's my activator.
And my activator. Get over it.
My activator.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh.
That's my activator.
About she running the show. I run this.
I don't want of you any of the disgusting green and my...
I think that. This is why you never get children involved in slime making, okay? They make a lot of mess. Oh, the babies!
That was you!
The babies! Anne-Marie, Jason, Cruella, Dalmatians.
I've got it all over my lap. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know you're cleaning that up, right?
Right, so what's next?
What? Well, you have to wait for me to finish mine and then we can go to the cleaning.
I like that.
Grinch.
Oops. That's mine.
That's not.
Alright, we're done.
No, it's because your activator activates really quick, but it's hard at the same time.
See? So, it's not always the most expensive stuff that works better. My cornstarch.
My cornstarch.
It's
No,
much better.
it's not even cornstarch, it's laundry starch. Get it right. No, it's,
Yeah, it's laundry stuff.
it activates it quick, yeah, but it just makes it really hard and everything.
Actually, I could teach you guys how to make dumplings. Since as we are in the kitchen.
No, this is in the living room.
You eat in here, could be passed as a kitchen.
No, but you don't cook food in here.
So, oh, that's harder. So, you know guys, when you're making dumplings, I'm sure you guys heard of dumplings, yes? You're making your fried dumplings, yeah? You mix your dough with your water and obviously your flour.
This is stretchy.
And you pull off a piece like so. Yes. And put it in the palm of your your hand like so. Yeah. And you make it into a round ball like so. You pinch the top like so. And you do it like so. And there you have it. Your dumpling. And then you just drop it in the pot like so. And I'm ready to make the clear slime.
It's the poking and the
This is the poking and the
swirling and the... Go on then.
and we're all done. Time to go finish cooking my curry goat.
No, we're not. Okay, this is my ASMR now. It's so sticky. Haha. Mine one. Mum, she's seen how big my bubbles are, so do this. Why is everything on my side? Move these out the way. That's okay. to roll these sleeves up because. Next, we're doing our. Go away. Next, we're doing our clip. Next, I don't want to be so close to you. Next, we're doing our Clear Glue slime. So we're using 80 ml.
We're only using one.
No, we're using 2.
Why?
To make it bigger. Okay. Okay, so obviously this is much more better than what she has over there. Like, this is good slime. Okay, so let me just. Okay.
You want to get every last drop.
Okay, so I'm gonna add. You don't know what you're doing, do you?
No.
I'm going to add colour. I'm going to use.
Mannequin challenge.
I'm going to use.
Oh, just come on, man.
You pick your colours then. I don't know what.
So.
Actually, I'm going to use this one. Why are you taking them out for? I'm going to use that and this.
Ooh, that's pretty. And ooh, my fiber with green. Ooh, pretty. Look at this, look at this, look at this. That's lovely.
But look at this. Oh. Oh. I'm making you
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh. I'm gonna make unicorn here.
I can see a rainbow. See a rainbow. See a rainbow in the bowl. Album coming out January 2. What next? Activator.
No!
That much I know.
Have I even activated?
So what's in that one?
Oh, this is baking soda and water.
Okay.
Add a tablespoon.
So we're baking, yeah? Add a tablespoon.
How much did you add? And then your activator. You know I haven't tested this out, so I don't know if it'll work.
So what exactly are we making?
Clear slime.
Clear slime.
Yeah.
But it can't be clear anymore with all this glitter in there.
It will be when you stretch
Listen,
it.
my mind is on the pizza, you know, man, so hurry up. That's about a tablespoon. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
What?
That's hard?
You added
Is it meant to be that hard?
You added too much then.
Ooh. Ooh.
Mine needs more baking soda. So probably about a teaspoon and a half.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. See, I told you my slimometer was going to be good. She said 1 tablespoon and I did 1 point something. Ooh, that is hard. Look at this. There's nothing on the side.
That's nasty.
Yes.
There's stuff right there. Don't touch it. Oh. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Take it. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Wait. Stop.
This is hard work, man. I'm tired. Yeah. I like that.
Mine is just beautiful.
That just does not feel right.
Yours don't look right.
Ow, ow. Actually, This needs to be a little bit more. I'll use this.
That does not activate it. I can see a rainbow.
See a rainbow.
Oh, there we go.
See a rainbow too. Ow.
You nasty slime. Wait.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Ah.
Oh. There.
This is beautiful. That's beautiful. I made unicorn poop. Yours just looks like actual poop.
Drop the slime. Right, guys, so that's it. We're all done. I've declared myself the winner.
No. Beauty. No!
I've declared myself the winner.
No. Okay, wait. Let's make this
Hopefully,
basically,
you have
so comment down below, Gang Lachey or Gang Patrice, whoever you think won.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye for now.
Oh, are we shaving now?